Welcome on Easy Learning. Now we are going to cover next question of Ignou Solve Assignment BPC-001. It is question number 7. Discuss the factor theory of intelligence. Answer. The factor theory intelligence was categorized into a factor of general intelligence and a factor of specific intellectual abilities. These two factors, theory of intelligence, was developed by Charles Spearman by using factor analysis. Besides Spearman, L. Thurston, Howard Gardner, and Robert Sternberg, also developed the structure of intelligence and analyzed. As a result, they found that a single underlying factor was influencing the general intelligence of individuals. Godfrey Thompson didn't like Spearman's factor and claimed insufficient evidence of that. Modern researchers are also developing the same theory further. Later in 1904, a factor analysis was developed by Spearman to develop a statistical procedure. Here, related variables and correlation are taken into account. At first, related variables are tested for correlation to each other, then the correction of the same are evaluated to find clusters or groups of the variables. With pitch, perception, weight, and colors, directions, and mathematics, various tasks are performed to intelligence. Accordingly, the success of one area is related to another area. It must be one. Okay, the success of one area is related to another area. The central factor is found. Then other revolves around it with the help of our cognitive skills. Spearman called it general intelligence. The theory of Spearman has been the subject of a structure of intelligence, which thereafter was developed by three others. L. Thurston, L. Thurston developed this theory by collecting different 56 abilities whose 7 primary mental abilities were related to intelligence. Among these abilities are spatial, S-P-A-T-I-L, spatial. So among these abilities are spatial ability, numerical ability, word fluency, memory, perceptual speed, verbal comprehension, and inductive reasoning. Other interested researchers analyzed Thurston's data and discovered that those that scored high in one category often did well in others. In this way, G factor influences the underlying factor and supports finding. Later, Howard Gardner, in his theory of multiple intelligence, stressed on multiple abilities to form intelligence. There are some factors that affect this intelligence. According to him, there are linguistic, musical, spatial, interpersonal, it is intrapersonal and interpersonal, logical, mathematical, bodily, kinesthetic, and naturalist and existential intelligence. According to him, one who excels in one skill lacks in other, and all these 8 intelligence are correlated positively with each other. These all are linked to each other and support G factor for all intelligence in general. Further, Robert Sternberg agreed with Gardner's theory but limited it with his triarchic theory of intelligence, which are analytical, creative, and practical. He categorized analytical in problem solving, creative in how people react adaptively in a given situation, and practical in every logic to show multiple solutions or decisions are possible.